All right, today we're gonna bring an elegant light. It's about 6 feet tall, close to 6 feet. I'm a 6 feet person, so it's about almost close to 6 feet. Now, the lamp itself was very simple to assemble. There's three parts: the bottom, the center, and the long neck. It's broken different ways, twisted, and it twists together, and really easy to assemble. Once you got that assembled, all you got to do is spin the top of it. LED light is built in, and it's a smart LED light. We're going to go over some details and see what else you can do, but the size of it is perfect. And let's go ahead and take a look at the actual LED light, how it works. All right, let's take a look at actual controller. All right, it's simple. Once you add everything in here, there's nothing to do with this. It's all attached together. To turn it on, it's just a push of a button, and this will be the on and off button. So let's take a look at the actual button. You turn it on, off, on, off. All right, let's measure the actual bottom of the base, and this is where you're gonna need the space. And this is all across from each other. It's about 10 inches from each, all right? So in reality, you don't need a lot of space. You could hide it discreetly under anything, any surfaces, because this is only an inch around, all around. All right, we're installing the application now for the actual light. Once you set up the application, Smart Life, all you got to do is go into your system itself. You have full controls. We're going to turn off the light so you guys can see how bright it is in here. All right, let's take a look at the actual controls. And if you guys can see, I'm going to put this on the side of it. So on the actual controls, you're able to control the light. All right, we're going to turn the light from yellow to white. And then we're going to turn it off, completely off. You guys can see that. Turn it back on. And then we have the actual dimmer here from 0% to 100%. Now we're going to change different scenes, all right? Under scenes, you have different modes. Look how beautiful. And this is American style mode that we're doing. We're going to do a Christmas mode. Christmas mode. And the Christmas mode is going to change into different modes. Halloween, let's do a Halloween mode. This is more terrifying, more black lights, easy to set up. So they have various birthdays, various different templates they have in here. Music. Now this is a pretty good one. If you're going to be talking or playing music or playing games, like if you're a gamer, at the end of the day, you just want to have a clear light, you can do that. Very simple, easy to set up. The lamp actually illuminates the entire room here, including my gaming setup I have here, all the way to the living area and space. So this is a perfect lamp for any event that you need it for. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.